Hello there, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's Google My Business products video, I want to share with you a massive tip that will certainly help with your product importation. So I want to share with you first a scenario, a scene for you, the business owner, that has been plaguing us business owners, and I know it has been for you. Now, I've actually gone through to see if anybody else was sharing and showcasing this particular tip, and as I was going through, they were all going through the same painstaking process that I'm going to walk you through now. So regardless of the video, they're all doing it just like this, and this is what drives business owners crazy. It goes a little like this. You're going to come over here to your left-hand side and stick with me. I have a massive tip for you that will certainly help out for adding your Google My Business product. So stick with me, but let me set this scenario. Let me set this scene that you're going through, all right? So we're down here on the left-hand side here. We have posts, we have info, insights, reviews, products and services. Depending on the category that you're in, you might only have products, you might only have services, some people might have both, but we're going to click on products. Now, when we're inside of our products, we're going to go ahead and get started, and this is the exact process that you would have to do depending on how many products you have. You might have only 10, not so bad. You might have 20, 30, 40, 50, not so bad, couple hours, but hey, what if I have 100 or 1,000? What if I had just 100 or 50? How long would this take? So we're going to have to select our photo. All right, let's take our photo. Product name, so we'd have to add the name. We're going to have to pick the category of the product. You'd have to set that. The category, let's say it's SEO. We come in here, we have to put the price. Let's say it's $1,000, okay? And the list goes on. So this is the description, right? So we had to put our description inside of there. And then, of course, we're adding the buy. And we have to put our link inside of there. Now, times that by X amount of products. And Google knows that this is driving business owners completely mad because they keep pushing it off. However, it is very helpful for producing sales. Now, Google had the initiative. Google understands that this is an issue for business owners just like you. So let me go ahead and share with you something that I haven't seen any other SEOs on YouTube share yet. So I thought that it would be a value add for you. Let's come inside of here, and I want to share with you a particular company that is allowing you to go ahead and do all of this automatically complimentary. And the best part is not only is it fast, not only is it easy, not only is it free for now, but it's also a Google-owned asset. Let me introduce you to a company called Pointy. So Pointy, first and foremost, let's do this. Owned by Google, P-O-I-N-T-Y. Pointy is the name of the company, all right? So Google acquires Pointy, a startup to help brick and mortar companies. This is Pointy. It's going to help you load in all of your products. Now, I haven't seen anybody talking about this, and it's blowing my mind because it's definitely an ad that I suggest to customers and clients that I've worked with previously. So I want to go ahead and share with you this. So we're going to head on over here to Pointy, and you can read all about it. Google acquired them, and let me bring you to their website. So it's Pointy.com. So this is Pointy.com. And what's great about Pointy.com is you can go ahead and apply. And inside of here, let me share with you the pricing. As long as you're eligible, it is a complimentary product. Now, the features are, depending on your point of sale, you can go ahead and these massive companies are utilizing it, plus hundreds more. You're able to just go in there, and as you can see here, it's going to go ahead and just add your products in there automatically, and it's really going to save you all of the time to go through here and add them one by one by one, just like I've seen a lot of other SEOs suggesting, which is complete madness, right? So I just wanted to share with you this tool. Again, it is owned by Google. Go ahead and please read about it. It's called Pointy.com. It's a free tool. It's to add your products fast, easy, secure. It's owned by Google. My name is Chris Palmer. If you have any future questions related to Google My Business, Google My Business products, Google My Business services, Google My Business SEO, just regular SEO, digital marketing, Facebook ads, Google ads, it doesn't matter, anything. Always feel free to go ahead and ask in the comments below, and I most certainly look forward to seeing you in the next Google My Business How to Add Google My Business Products video. Have a wonderful day.